Hi, it's Emily and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. So I am in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee with my family, and we are here for the National Quartet Convention, and I thought I would vlog it for you all because we have front row seats, so it's pretty cool, and you get to meet a lot of the singers. So I wanted to bring you all along for the journey. We are going to have a fun-filled week, and let's get into it. I realized I forgot to explain, so those of you who don't know, National Quartet Convention is like the biggest Southern gospel event in the United States, and it's like a whole week long here in Pigeon Forge, and just about every single Southern gospel group is going to be here this week. I'm getting ready to fix my hair and get dressed, and mine and the girls' outfits are on the bed. So I figured I would record and show you guys what I decided to do with my hair. So this is what my hair looks like. I had it up earlier and there's a tad bit of curl. So I'm going to try to do something with it. My hair and pinned a few things, so this looks a little better. And I am wearing this pretty dress from Wren Ivory, and my shoes are from Amazon. Let me see your outfit. Woo! I think her shoes and her top looks cute. Nuggles and Zadie B's.
Yes.
I like that.
Amazon shoes.
That looks really good. Look at the girls ready to go. What's the matter, Rosie? I've known
Yeah. A little bigger than these guys.
Yeah, not much bigger.
Not much. Not much.
And I have seen them every morning.
Yep. That's awesome. And now you've got two little ones in your own. That's awesome. That's incredible. We sing what we sang last night. And we sing it Thursday. The most glad to be on your channel.
Thank you. Say hi to
YouTube channel. Hello, YouTube.
Okay, so we're getting ready to head up, and our seats are on the front row. So come with us all the way to the front. Tonight I was at the food court eating, and at the table behind me was one of the guys from Greater Vision, and he was with his wife and his daughter, and they were sitting behind me, and she came up and asked me where I got my dress from because she said it was really pretty. So I told her I had got it from Wren Ivory, and I told her to check it out, but I will link this dress down below in my description so you all can find it as well. I just thought that was pretty cool that like one of the people up there on the stage, his wife was asking me where I got my dress. Sometimes at NQC, like the people there are dressed like kind of crazy, like they got diamonds and flashy stuff, so it was really nice that, you know, you don't have to dress flashy and you don't have to dress immodest to look nice. Also, I was sitting on the front row, as you can see in my videos, and Jason Crabb's daughter came and sat next to us, and I think she said her name was Ashley, and so I got to meet her, and then she went up and sang with her dad for one song, and I'm sure you already seen that footage by now. But I just thought that was cool, so I wanted to share that with you all. And I'm getting ready to go to bed. My head is killing me, and I'm tired. I'm sure you can tell. So I will see you tomorrow. Okay, it's night 2 of NQC, and I'm getting ready to fix my hair. And I've done this tutorial on my channel, so if you haven't seen it, I will link it down below. But I'm not going to do like a full tutorial. I'm just going to do like a little quick get ready with me thing, and it is like pouring rain outside, so I don't feel like curling my hair or fixing it too fancy because it's just gonna get wet anyways, so it's not really worth it. Dainty Jewel's layering dress. It's just the gray one. And I'm wearing this kimono thing over top of it. And it is from Belk. And my shoes are just some low block nude heels from Amazon. So this is my full outfit. You ready to go to NQC?
Yeah.
You go to NQC, Rosie? Some books that he wrote, and we are standing in line to get them signed.
Here, hold the book. We're getting ready to give he's gonna sign.
Come here, I want to sign this book to you. How do I spell your name? Come here.
R-L-Y.
Is that you? And Rosie?
S-I-E.
Hey, you want me to draw on this one? You want me to draw you something?
Look up
It's your crab. You're welcome.
We are back at the cabin and it is late again. It was so cool tonight. I really was on the front row. She pretty much danced through like the whole time tonight. She was having so much fun. I'm sure that you all already seen, but they got her on the big screen and it was pretty neat. So that was really cool. And we also got to see Jason Crabb, and he signed some books for the girls, some of the books that he wrote, children's books. So that was really cool, and that was neat that he spent time and drew a little crab for Everly, so they really liked that. And let me know in the comments down below who your favorite Southern Gospel group is. And go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I upload new videos on Tuesdays and Fridays. Have a good day. Bye. I am sitting in our cabin here in Pigeon Forge editing my video, and I realized that I forgot again. Noelle Setzer messaged me on Instagram, and so I am shouting out Noelle Setzer and Alana. Here is a shout out to you. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube videos, and thank you for messaging me. I love you all so much. If it wasn't for all of you all watching and liking and commenting on everything, I wouldn't be doing this. And so I just want to let you know I love you all so much.